Hello and welcome to another episode of Back on Track SQL Refresher. This is part 2 of the episode 1 where we are covering the basics of SQL. Let's directly hop on to this train. But just a quick reminder, if you have not gone through episode 1, I would highly recommend you watch that video and then continue with this. This one is kind of a advanced version of part 1, so it's better अगर हम वो देख के फिर यहाँ पर आए. Also, don't mind how I look. It's quite late and I just got done with the stand up.
Find employees who earn more than average salary of their city. So we had have earning more than average salary, right? So I'll take this one up here. क्या है उस earning? So I need the city here, right? And then where जो तुम्हारी salary है, who earns more than the average salary, and then अगर मैं comma दे के city देती हूँ, okay, so average salary, and then you do group by city. Find employees who earn more than average salary of their city. I think ना यहाँ पर अगर मैं ऐसे इसको डिफाइन कर देती हूँ कि मैं ना दो अलग अलग टेबल्स ऑफ द सेम सेम टेबल, बट मैं उसको दो एलियस अगर मैं दे देती हूँ, then maybe it should work. और यहाँ पे ग्रुप बाय की जगह पे ना अगर मैं ये कर देती हूँ, किसके ऊपर कर रही हूँ मैं, वेयर ई डॉट सिटी इज इक्वल टू सब डॉट सिटी. लेट्स सी, एंड ये एम्प्लॉयज को मैंने सब एज अ टेबल नेम दे दिया. अच्छा, so instead of this let me go with GROUP group by. Now let's try it. Okay, still there is a problem. Kahi, why is there still a problem with this one? Let's check with the master solution. Okay, average salary. अच्छा, तो वही तो कर रहे थे, where E dot salary is greater than. तो इसको प्रॉब्लम क्या हो गया था भाई. अच्छा, मैं सिटी यहाँ पे डिफाइन नहीं करना होता है. I'll have to check why that is so. Because inside a query you only need the columns that will help you filter or compare, not the columns you want in the final output. So find employees who earn more than the average of their city, and these are the two, Sneha and Karan Patel. Next question, the top earner from each city. Okay, you need to find the top earner from each city. Find the top earner from each city. Max, right? So that is going to be the maximum. तो अगर मैं यही लेती हूँ यहाँ पे, और यहाँ पे एवरेज की जगह पे अगर मैं मैक्स डालती हूँ, एंड ये जो ई सैलरी है इट बिकम्स इक्वल टू, एंड सिटी के कंपैरिजन नहीं चाहिए उसको. लेट्स सी इफ दिस इज व्हाट इज एक्सपेक्टेड. Yeah, it is. These were a few questions which you need to kind of practice and get comfortable with, because इसके बाद जो है the धक धक starts. You have the having coming in full action, you have group by coming in full action, and then you also have subqueries coming in full action. I had also asked ChatGPT to give me few questions as homework, and these are those questions. I think around 4 to 5 of them. I am going to have them in the description. You can go ahead and check it out, but let me read a few of those out for you. So the first question was, who earns the closest salary to the average salary of the company? So इसमें क्या किया था मैंने, I got what is the average salary, उसको मैंने round कर दिया था. So I wanted only till decimal places 2, that is why round, and then the average salary which will be the number, and मुझे उसको round करना है to 2 decimal places. इसके लिए कॉमा डाल के 2 मैंने डाला था. Second was, मुझे क्या चाहिए, earns the closest salary to the average salary. So I have this salary, right? So जो भी ये whatever is their salary minus the average salary, whichever is the सबसे less, that is what we need, right? So absolute is ABS. So I've taken the name, I've taken the salary, and I have taken the absolute of the salary minus the average salary of this employee as the closest salary, close to average salary the column name, and that is how I got this. And सिर्फ एक ही चाहिए था, who earns the closest, so that is why I did. Right. Why not use where here? क्यों ही हमने select statement में ही इसको डाल दिया? Where clause filters rows. It removes records that won't meet the requirement or won't meet the condition before ordering, grouping, etc. So if we said where is greater than salary, the average salary, we would only get people who are earning above the average, not closest. इसके लिए हमने यहाँ पर absolute use करके उनका subtraction ढूंढ के ही वहाँ पे आंसर निकाला है. The second question was, list all the cities where the average salary is more than the overall company's salary. So I found again overall company's salary is just this much, right? So we have that second part already with us. List all the cities where average salary is above. So हमने city के हिसाब से भी जो average salary है वो यहाँ पर निकाल दी. ठीक है, overall salary भी हमने यहाँ पे निकाल दी. Then see what mistake I did was, मैंने यहाँ पे having, having सब कुछ use कर दिया जिसका करने का कुछ करने का ज़रूरत ही नहीं था. Correct solution क्या था? You get the city, you get the average salary. ओके, ये सैलरी कौन सी है? ये सैलरी तुम्हारी कंपनी की सैलरी है, राइट? फ्रॉम दिस एम्प्लॉय टेबल, एंड उसको ग्रुप बाय मैंने सिटी कर दिया था. क्या कैसा है वो कि जो भी तुम्हारा एवरेज कंपनी का सैलरी है इज लेस देन द एवरेज सैलरी. कुछ तो गुची की इधर मैंने. All cities where average salary is above, right? So then this should be average E dot salary, right? Let me check this quickly. Yeah, because the average salary is 61,000, 66,000. Yeah, 66,000. So 66,000 से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, which is 71,500 and 85,000. Makes sense. Oh my god, I got stressed for no reason. Let's move to the next question. Find employees who earn more than the highest salary in the HR department. So this is the सबसे easiest one. I think I was feeling very low, and that is why I had this question coming to me. तो मैं क्या करूँगी? Salary. तो पहले HR डिपार्ट ये इतना सब कुछ करने का जरूरत भी नहीं है, ये डायरेक्टली हम लोग इसमें ही आ जाते हैं. मैं स्टेप 1 स्टेप 2 इसके लिए की थी बिकॉज आई थिंक दिस वाज द सेकंड डे व्हेन आई हैड actually gotten down and sat and started working with SQL again. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for being here, watching the entire video. I'll see you guys in another one. Again, do not hesitate letting me know what you think about this series, about this episode in particular series. Yeah, about this in the comment section below. This is a way to being accountable and क्या बोलते हैं उसको, leveling up, yeah, upskilling before 2026, something that I know already and I've forgotten, so I'm getting better at that. But yeah, that's that.
Just wanted to pop in and let you know that the second episode, okay, this was part two of the first episode. The second episode has made me also cry a little. Yeah, it's important that you follow along to learn these things. ये अभी I'm realizing कि मेरे को कॉलेज में इतने अच्छे से नहीं सिखाया था. And when I was preparing for interviews and when I was working on SQL, I didn't really think it through. Also maybe क्योंकि मुझे link मिली हुई थी or something like that. I don't know. But oh God, session two is going to be fun. So I hope I see you there. Bye bye.